Jokenya modak e pinje maoko kwa mondo oket bath omenda maromo dola madirom bilion 3.5 e chenro mag thieth e pachoka. Kane gilose boma ma Nairobi, jolony weche mag thieth owacho ni chenro no biro tego weche mag thieth kendo geng'o tuoche kod duoko chien pek mar thieth. Kembe machiwo thieth e pachoka bende oketo yore ne jokenya modak oko mar neno ni familia magi man pachoka oyudo thieth.
Quite significant because some of them have traveled, maybe for work, have had to leave a little one behind. Others are still very concerned for their parents. So typically what they do is when this person is in hospital, they will send the money. But if you look at it, that's already quite late. They already have the full impact. But if they purchase a medical insurance cover for their parents, for their children, for anybody who is here, it means that they have a medical card.
So Bupa has a very clear purpose, which is helping people live longer, healthier, happier lives and making the world a better place. And actually this initiative through the Diaspora Association or Alliance, in partnership with Ken Bright and Jubilee from a local health perspective, is exactly what we want to do, which is bring quality healthcare cover to Kenyan nationals both at home and overseas.